Previously on the Ranger Danger series.
There's no oil.
What? That is nasty.
As you take an engine apart, you keep running into issues.
We found yet another fuel leak. But it starts, it runs!
I was backing it on. Slash letting gravity do its thing.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Now we just used the come along and
Yeah, that's honestly, that worked really well. That was a solid idea.
Yeah, everything went smoothly other than that. The fender here did decide it saw its chance on the dirt road and it took it and it, yeah.
Oh, dude. What the? Oh no! Oh, shoot.
So we found the fuel first. I think this was Alex's quote-unquote cheap fix from earlier. Anyway, I didn't introduce Mike yet. Everyone say hi to Mike.
Hi.
He's from Wisconsin, and he's actually kind of knows what he's doing, so that's ideal. So he's a cavalry. Josh also kind of knows what he's doing. So we hopefully have a rational mind between the 7 of us.
We might have like one fully functional brain.
Yes, exactly right. But today's mission is replace the water pump. Oh yeah, I never went over what Alex did because he didn't film anything when he took it for the test drive. And he said brown liquid came gushing out of the exhaust. Boiling water fell from the engine bay at the car wash. The cherry bomb muffler that he so wanted to put on it decided to fall off when he was almost back home. So it was kind of a disaster. So we have a couple things to fix today. Mike was astonished that we were stupid enough to put gasket sealant on the head gasket because apparently that's not good.
We got engine bearings in a can. We're set.
But the toolbox came with the truck. It was pretty.
Okay,
pretty
that
solid.
was a win.
Yeah, I know, right? That's what I'm thinking. Alex at first wanted to take it off. I'm like, nah, that's nice. I like it. Let's keep it. So do we need to run to O'Reilly's, get a little piece of hose?
Yep.
And what else do we need? The water pump is coming. Guess we could ask him about the radiator fan. Should we take the Fiero? Oh yeah, the YouTube channel has also never seen my Fiero that I got this summer. So this is the Fiero. Got it from my neighbor. This one didn't need like any engine work. It just needed a fuel pump to work. And then when the fuel pump worked, it just fired off. So yeah, this is my Fiero. It's a 1986 SE version, as you can see.
This is number 1.
Alex and Sam arrived.
No, we didn't do this. This is stock.
Even
This
the clamps.
No, I think we did that.
Okay, that's why
This
it blew.
is from 1987.
Yeah, that's the problem.
The whole truck is the problem.
That sounds about right.
The Ford, okay, that was
Hey,
not
did
me.
you see this quality? Like, this is not tight. I never tightened it. This is tight though. That was my first attempt and it's not tight. This is my second attempt and this is solid. Like, this is in here.
This whole day so far has just been Mike going, what the heck are you guys doing?
That's been pretty great, I'm not gonna lie.
You see how this doesn't have a belt? We bought it like that.
Yeah, that's normal though.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, that's good to know.
Oh, what?
What do you mean, what?
Okay, so normally AC compressors are locked up, which is why the belts are taken off of them. But this one's not locked up.
No, yeah, it's chill, it's mint. So Mike, you're telling me that leak isn't from the drain plug? It's just straight up.
Full of water.
It's just straight up dripping from the water pump? Holy crap, we do have a bad water pump, don't we? Yikes. Because this is supposed to be draining from here, from there, but that's draining from. Yeah, that's not good. They're going to pee. Alex just asked me how have the emotions has changed since like the other night when he called me, and he said that he broke everything or everything broke. I don't know. I blamed it on him because I was like I didn't even get to drive it. I was pretty frustrated. I was like, well, what the heck now? I was like, that's not good. We got water gushing out everywhere, fluids just leaking everywhere. I was like, what the heck? But honestly, I think we've diagnosed some of the issues, and we're back to the project truck mindset. I think it's working out. But we did get the radiator fan off, and Mike chucked it over here because he doesn't want to deal with it, and we got a new one anyway.
Cracks.
Oh yeah, the crack. There's a lot of cracks in the fan. Look at this crack. Oh yeah, that's not supposed to be there. This thing would have exploded eventually. And there, this thing was cracked, dude. And there, not good.
I guess there's a little bit more of a lip on the inside. Not that much though.
But it's possible it's only 85,000, I guess. I don't know.
We got a deal.
Maybe. I mean, aside from the fact that we had took it apart and put it back together with a couple less bolts, but
Project truck. Okay.
Hey,
it's fair.
we put it together with less bolts. So
That means we're a better mechanic.
Better at designing a vehicle than Ford themselves.
That's exactly right. This car looks like it's always been in South Dakota. It was bought in Clark, South Dakota. Mike is getting the water pump out. He took all the bolts off. We haven't been doing a squat. We just, it was all Mike right there. Chopped it down. All right, sick, that works. What is smoking?
So, lesson. When your water pump goes out, the shaft will get all wobbly. I don't know if I can show it. When it had the pulleys on it, you could see it.
Oh yeah.
You might be able to hear it. The back half is wiggling.
Oh
It's
yeah.
really hard just to like see it.
And it's kind of hard to turn, isn't it?
And what happens is the bushings go out in here, and then the seal goes out. When the seal goes out, water will start pouring out this, which is called the weep hole. And it'll just, that's how you know your water pump's shot.
Oh.
And when we grab the fan blades, you could wiggle them, which is a very bad sign.
Huh.
So this
Good to
is
know.
garbage. Now we need more parts.
Yeah, sounds like it. So we're going to get the radiator
Excited
fan
to get my
that
hands
is over at O'Reilly's. I know, you got to warm up those hands, man. You are
They're actually
absurd.
not cold.
that's amazing.
It is.
I've been
it
using
is.
them the entire time. Though.
There's all three of these derps are sitting in the truck. I'm here cleaning off this gasket here, or the thing where the water pump is going for the gasket and everything. And now I think I'm gonna be doing this all by myself. And then when we get this on, we are calling it a day. Alex is leaving.
Yes, I'm leaving.
It's, what time is it? It's only like 6, 7. It's 7 already. Holy crap.
Yeah.
We're finally getting this water pump in. These screws are such a butt.
Mike's also leaving though.
It's cold.
It's very cold. It's like 20 degrees. And
I wonder if it's
you have an
actually
extension
still
for this
above 20. I just put it away, but I can go get it.
Bye, Alex. Well, I guess this will be tomorrow's issue, is to put the radiator fan back on and the belts and stuff. But yes, have a wonderful rest of the semester. We got the water pump on last night. Josh and I replaced the belts today. Gonna take it for a little test drive. No leaks. Look at that. That's a W. I think we had a little fuel drip leak, but honestly, I don't see it anymore. Maybe it went away. Took it around for a lap or two. It's kind of fun to drive, honestly. Yeah. After a little test drive, it's smoking pretty bad out of that. Whew. Oh. Oh, that's bad. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Well, I guess that means we have to take the engine apart again, doesn't it?
Yay! Bye, Ellen.
What the heck, dude? Why? This is why it's best to know what you're doing. Well, I don't know why we didn't call our mechanic friends as we were taking it apart, and only calling them after when we had all the problems. Well, we've learned a lot so far. This is why they call it a project truck.
See ones with my hands.
Oh gosh. Well, we got a nice hand warmer. I think we're approaching like $2,000 total, with like almost 1,000 for the truck and probably like over 700 for the parts. So yeah, this is might end up going over budget a little bit.